Yo, what up, guys? I've seen, I like to go to this mall, Spartan Creek Mall. And anytime I come here, I always see this one homeless guy. And I don't know, man, I think he's ex-military because of his hat he always wears. But for some reason, it's just one of those people that you just feel bad for and that you just want to help. And so I'm thinking about stopping by and helping him out here. I figured I'd go to the mall and get him a bite to eat or something because it is so cold outside. However, I'm thinking about it. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna give him some money. Give him like $5. Let's see here. Hopefully he appreciates this. There we go, finally. Alright, he should be up here around the corner. I'll have to swing around to come get him, but not come get him, but you know, give him his stuff. Yeah, no one seems to ever be giving him anything. Not that I mean, I come here pretty often, and I never really see anyone stop and help him. Really, never actually. Yes, sir. I swung around just so I could do that. Have a good one. See? Makes you feel good, man. I mean, look at what he owns. I mean, that is his house. I don't know, man. I just think it means a lot to him when you help him out. That's it. So yeah, man, that made my day. I don't know about y'all, but feel pretty darn good after that, I'll tell you. Woohoo! Bumpy road. It's like riding a roller coaster when you're on this thing. Come on, blue car, do it. Do it, I dare you. Oh man, someone's bound to pull out in front of me here. He kind of pulled out in front of me, but nothing bad at all whatsoever, so it's alright. ahead and get something on video. Woo! Yes, sir, baby. Yes, sir. I captured footage. I feel so happy. The lady was like, "Oh, sorry," and then waved at me. I should have revved. Nah, she was nice though. At least she stopped. Some people just look at you and then keep on walking. Got pride issues or some shit. But yeah, anyway. I guess I'll end it at that, boys and girls. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you keep watching my channel. Subscribe. And I'll see you soon. Today's been a great day for riding. I'll see y'all next time. Later.